Okay, you can walk, but it's another 10 to 15 minutes inside the bamboo.
In today's video, we are visiting Arashiyama in western Kyoto for the first time. This beautiful area is famous for the iconic Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, also known as the Sagano Bamboo Forest, and its traditional tourist rickshaw rides. We will begin near the scenic Togetsukyo Bridge, where you can enjoy a traditional rickshaw ride through Arashiyama's charming streets. The drivers can share local stories, guide you to beautiful photo spots, and bring you along selected routes near the bamboo forest. We will visit Tenryuji Temple, one of Kyoto's most important temples, before walking into the towering bamboo forest. The peaceful path is surrounded by tall green bamboo, creating one of the most unforgettable views in Kyoto. The bamboo grove is located near Nanamiya Shrine and is around a 10-minute walk from Junior Saga Arashiyama Station. For a quieter experience and better photos, it is best to arrive early in the morning, ideally before 8 a.m., as the area becomes very crowded later in the day. For today's route, we will explore Togetsukyo Bridge gives rickshaw ride, gives Tenryuji Temple, gives Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, gives Nanamiya Shrine, gives Kochi Sansu Villa.
Oh no. Oh, because they need to cross. Oh呦 吓死我
いただいたら、ちょっとこっちは行けないんですけども、こちらの作りについて。
Chile son esos tubos, yo voy a quedar.
Sí, pero donde no hemos comido como en ningún lado, ¿eh? Aquí donde te sientas. Aquí donde te sientas.
Was it good flavor?
A traditional rickshaw, also known as a Trisha ride, is one of the most memorable ways to explore Arashiyama. Sit back and enjoy the scenery as an experienced driver pulls the rickshaw through charming streets, past temples, gardens, and scenic viewpoints. The ride usually starts around Togetsukyo Bridge, where you can choose different routes and durations. Some rides pass near the bamboo grove, while longer tours may include quieter back streets and beautiful photo stops. Your driver may also share interesting stories about Arashiyama's history, temples, and local culture. It is a relaxing experience for tourists, especially if you want to enjoy the area without too much walking.